Students, we are going to see components of computer system. Computers internal architecture design comes in different types and sizes, but the basic structure remains same of all computer systems. The term computer hardware or computer part is used to describe computer components. The major components of general purpose computer system are input unit, main memory or internal memory or storage unit, output unit, central processing unit. The central processing unit is further includes arithmetic logic unit and control unit. All the units are referred to as the functional units. So we'll see each unit in detail. First, storage unit. The storage or secondary storage is used for retain digital data after processing for permanent storage. For example, hard drive. The storage is non-volatile in nature. CPU does not access directly to secondary storage memories. Instead, they access via input-output unit. The contents of secondary storage memories are first transferred to the main memory, random access memory, and then CPU access it. Next is output unit. Output unit receives information from the CPU and then delivers it the external storage or device in the soft or hard processed form. The devices which are used to display output to the user are called output devices. The monitor or printer is common output devices. The next is central processing unit. The main chip in the computer is the microprocessor chip, which is also known as the central processing unit. The CPU is mounted on a printed circuit board called the main board or motherboard. This chip is considered to be the controlling chip of a computer system, since it controls the activities of other chips as well as outside devices connected to the computer, such as monitor and printer. In addition, it can also perform logical and computational tasks. Microprocessors work on a parallel system. So next we will see arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit is used for processing data after inputting data is stored to the primary unit. The major operations of arithmetic logic unit are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, logic and comparison operations. Control unit. It is like a supervisor that checks the operations or checks sequence in which the instructions are executed. Next is input unit. The input unit is used for transfers raw data and control signals into the information processing system by the user. Before processing and computation, all the input unit devices provide the instructions and data are transformed into binary codes, that is the primary memory acceptable format. The memory or storage unit is used for storing data during, before and after processing. The unit retains temporary results till further processing. The storage or secondary storage is used for retain digital data after processing for permanently. The output receives information from the CPU and then delivers it with the external storage or device in the soft or hard processed form. The devices which are used to display output to the user are called output devices. So the main chip in the computer is called microprocessor chip, which is also known as the CPU, central processing unit. So the components of a computer system is divided into input unit, memory unit or storage unit, output unit, central processing unit. The central processing unit is further divided into arithmetic logic unit and control unit. All the units are also referred as functional units. Devices that are not integral part of CPU referred to as peripherals. Thank you.